Hey guys, it's Chris from Steeda, and today we'll be highlighting the Diode Dynamics Elite Series combination fog and turn signal lamps fitting 2018 plus Mustangs. This will fit any of those Mustangs that have those LED turn signals and fog light combinations from the factory, things like the Mach 1 or the 350 or the 500. This will be a different housing. But anyways, we have these things installed in the Silver Bullet. Absolutely awesome, love the way they look. It's a very clean design. It has the black housing on the inside. You have that white 6000K LED on the front, and these particular ones you can get either a yellow fog lamp or a white fog lamp. We went with the yellow because we knew we would have the darker metallic gray wrap for the new look of the Silver Bullet, but all in all, it's a beautiful design. When you start the car up, you'll be able to see them kind of dim down and then charge up. Again, it's a great look, and they cycle from side to side as well. They have kind of a startup sequence. You have sequence options, US, Euro, and I think static. You actually set those inside the connector on the back of the turn signal housing itself. US is the one that cycles the fastest, Euro's a little bit slower, and ultimately static's obviously just like stock. It's the full amber on and off. Outside of that, it's a beautiful design. They're made in the USA. You really can't go wrong with Diode Dynamics products, and it ultimately really ties together the look, the front end of this thing, which, let's be honest, not many people see of when you're going down the drag strip. Now, like I mentioned before, these are a wider beam pattern, and they're 30% brighter than the factory lights, and the switchbacks in the turn signals themselves do operate as a daytime running light, so you have that additional light output to match the daytime running lights that you see in the headlights as well. Installation really wasn't that hard. Once you have the bumper cover off the car, it's 3 bolts to get the factory housing off of the bumper cover, slide the new housing in, bolt it up, and Diode does include a harness to tap into the headlights in order to get that daytime running light running on the Diode Dynamics Elite Series combination lamps for your 2018 plus Mustang. All right, first thing we'll do is show you guys the startup sequence. And then we'll go ahead and turn the parking lights on. You can see the parking lights there. Fog lights. Again, I absolutely love the way these yellow fogs look against that darker wrap in the front. It's definitely a different look with everything going to that crisp white LED. These fogs kind of have that old-fashioned look, which I'm really a fan of. Show you guys the blinkers. And again, they're sequential amber. It goes from that white 6000K daytime running light LED straight to the amber, from sequential, again, from the inside all the way out. And I really love this look. And you also have the option for the European customers to switch that switch on the back of the connector or keep it full static, depending on your preference. Just a cool look all the way around. Absolutely love it. That about wraps things up. I'm a big fan of these Diode Dynamics Elite Series combination lamps for your 2018 plus Mustang. The yellow driving light or fog light really does tie things up. It's brighter than factory, and I love the look. It's kind of got that old school rally style driving light look, and it really looks good against the metallic gray wrap on a Silver Bullet. So go ahead and comment below, let us know your thoughts. Hit that like, subscribe button, that notification bell so you get a notification on your phone next time a Steeda video drops. And don't forget the most important thing, speed matters.